Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious dessert using one of the world's oldest cultivated fruits, figs. Figs are in season from late summer to mid-autumn, so if you're in Australia, we need to wait a little bit longer, but if you're in Europe, now's the perfect time to enjoy this recipe. For this recipe, you'll need brown sugar, figs, honey, orange, and mascarpone. Slice the figs in half lengthways. Move them to a baking tray neatly. Zest the orange. Mix in with your brown sugar. Mix. Juice the orange and add some honey. Drizzle the juice over the figs. And sprinkle the zest and sugar as well. Put these in the oven for 20 minutes. Once the figs are done, take a spoonful of mascarpone and add your figs. And there we have it, a simple oven roasted fig recipe to try this summer. The combination of orange and mascarpone really helps balance the sweetness of this dish. Give this recipe a go and bon appetit.